Welcome to the Simple Workshop, and we're making a basket out of scrap lumber. Everybody basically has a scrap pile of wood, and we're just going to make a basket for Easter or any everyday use out of a scrap pile of wood. It doesn't take very much. It's something like this. We'll cut up a couple of nice small pieces of 3/4 inch wood. Pile of 3 7/16. It could be 3 1/2 or 3 5/8 or even 4 inches, depending on the size of your basket. We're looking at making an octagon when we're done, but let's cut a few pieces here. And all we'll do is we already set a stop at my 3 7/16, and I will just keep rotating the until I have enough to make the layers I need. Now I need 8 pieces per layer because I am making octagons. And my cuts are 22 1/2 degrees. So 22 1/2 degrees and 22 1/2 degrees makes 45 degrees, and which would make the octagon if you listen. So I need 8 per layer, and then you will need 4 for the handle, and 2 longer ones for the uprights, which we will cut to length later with the basket. Now let's do a little assembly work. Remember to put enough glue on, and always press and hold your glue joints tight. Smearing them in. And remember, the glue takes 24 hours for a good cure. And for one of my favorite quotes, it's called woodworking, not wood perfection. So there's always the ability to sand and shape and modify if it doesn't turn out to be exactly perfect. And of course, feel free, you don't have to put everything together at one time. 4 pieces and then glue the last 2. Okay, the arms of the basket will be 8 1/2 inches high. The width of the basket, if your basket's 10 inches high or 10 inches wide, make them 10 inches, otherwise it will look a little off kilter. As I mean arms, that would be these 2 pieces that will go on top of the basket. And now we wait. Okay, we glued all these together. Now we're just going to sand them off, make them nice and smooth. paper to the edges to get rid of any possible slivers or splinters. Now we need to measure to have 2 holes in the center of these boards. You can see I already have it pre-marked. Because this is where most of the stress is going to be on the basket. So we will also the handle of the basket, remember that is about the length of the equals the width, which would give you a nice handle. I want you to put a cross on the bottom and X across it. So put an X on the bottom. Drill them for a 1/4 inch dowel. Same here. Okay. Another scrap board here. It's going to be the bottom of the basket. Remember we cut them at a 22-degree angle to make our octagons. Well, I already have the 90-degree mark, so this one's going to have to be cut at a 45-degree angle. Just as a cheater mark, take your piece, lay one on it, and mark your cut lines. Sanding on this. One is around the corner so there's no slivers. Now it's time to assemble. You want to kind of measure that or make it look good. I like to wing it, just so I know where my glue is going on my first one. Same thing the second one. You line everything up. Quarter-inch dowel pins. Glue on those. pressure. There we go. One basket. Now, I have to do a little more sanding on this by hand. Just to break the corners. Good enough. Coat of paint, and it's ready to be a basket. Alright, if you like the project, give me a big like on it, and subscribe to my new channel here, and hit the bell icon, and I make another one and it's all yours.